I wanted to show that rain cell that worked through yesterday near St. Helens. That dropped that tornado. It was a very quick system. We did see 65-mile-per-hour gusts that did cause some damage to structures. Some roof tiles flew in the sky, and we also saw some other structure damage, some trees down. Thankfully, no injuries. But when we see this unstable weather here, pretty hard to detect a tornado of that magnitude on the radar. But these were some impressive rain cells that worked through, dropping some heavy rain yesterday. So again, pretty interesting to see a tornado in the month of November. It has happened before, and we've even seen 3 tornadoes now so far this year, one back in January and one back in June. So as we start today, no more tornadoes. Looking at some beautiful weather on this Veterans Day. We're seeing some sun breaks and blue skies. We'll keep it partly to mostly cloudy here as we head our way into our afternoon. Likely dry moments. So if you are out and about celebrating here, you'll get some good weather for it. We'll see temperatures a little chilly though, in the upper 40s to about 50 degrees heading into our afternoon. Quiet weather for today. Still some scattered rain showers and even some light lingering snow showers out towards the mountains now, but we are done with the snow for the next 24 hours. We are expecting more weather to roll in by Thursday, then again on Friday. As you can see, a lot of activity well offshore. Right now, a big empty patch of weather, but further out, about 3,000 miles from land, we are watching several weather systems that'll impact our region heading into the end of the work week here. So let's time out some weather here. On a rainfall futurecast today, we'll keep things fairly quiet, partly sunny through the afternoon, just a beautiful finish to our Veterans Day. The morning tomorrow, starting off with fog, but mainly dry. It's at about lunchtime, we'll see some showers spreading. We have a weather system rolling back in here that'll introduce some rain into the region, even some breezy winds tomorrow night, heading into our Thursday again. But as we look towards Friday, we are tracking a rather strong system here, the center of low pressure right offshore of the Washington coast. Now, this system may bring some windy conditions to our region and even damaging winds all up and down the Oregon coast here as we head towards the morning on Friday, and could even linger into our Saturday morning. So the system is quite impressive and pretty rare. We don't see systems quite this strong rolling in all the time, but Friday we are tracking this system that could potentially be a windstorm that sets up and impacts our region through Friday. So there's still a lot of inconsistencies with models. This weather system could shift up north, and if that happens, you won't see too many impacts in our region. So we'll track this moving forward. We'll likely have a better idea of what may unfold come Friday as we head towards our day tomorrow. Still looking at a lot of rain and mountain snowfall over the weekend too. Quick look at forecast rain totals heading into Thursday and Friday. We're expecting a lot of rain to collect in the rain gauge, close to 2 inches or more as we head our way into Monday of next week. So active weather works in Friday, and the weekend will be gearing up for a soggy span of days and likely some windy conditions too. So keep your eyes on Friday here. We'll be updating you on throughout the rest of the week here on Coin 6. But today, enjoy a drier day, highs around the low 50s. That's your weather. We'll be right back.